To use the Camera Pro mode in Motorola Moto G15, first let's open our camera app. Then browse through the features and modes on the bottom, and that way on the right there's the Pro mode. Now if we open it, there will be a few different settings that we can adjust, and let's start with those on the bottom, which I think are most important. And the first thing right here is the evaluation of your photos. So this adjusts the brightness of your lens, and you can move it to the right to increase the brightness and move it to the left to decrease that brightness. Then there's the ISO, which adjusts also brightness of your photos, and you can also use auto settings or move it to the right to increase or decrease that brightness. Then there's the aperture or shutter speed, and you can adjust on how long the shutter will remain open after you take a photo, and this right here, as you can see, will change the time like this. So if we pick 32, it will remain open for 32 seconds, and we cannot move our device for those 32 seconds, otherwise the photo will be very blurry. But at the same time, this gives you a lot of brightness to the photos, so I don't recommend to just go for 32, as when there's daylight, you won't see a thing on your photos. So just temper with the settings until you get a desired brightness. White balance adjusts the color of the light, and you can change it to any of the options right here, like incandescent or whatever, daylight, fluorescent, or cloudy. And I prefer auto. And finally, right here we have autofocus, which allows us to change the focus of our photos. Here, if you go up to 25, there's something like a macro mode where you can put something very near your camera, and the last one is kind of like a landscape mode. So we have everything right here. Let's move to the settings on top. So we have our flashlight that we can turn on and off. There's also a shutter timer, which I recommend to combine with the shutter speed, and just position your phone and enable shutter timer, then wait till your photo is taken without moving your phone. Then there's the aspect ratio of your photos, and right here we'll be able to also change remove or add the notch to our photos. If you like them more focused, then I recommend to just enable it with the notch like that. And finally, there's just a normal camera settings that I covered in other video. And that is basically everything.